Hi, in this video I am going to implement the CSS properties which are mentioned on this particular list. So these are the few properties that I am going to cover in this video. So in the next video the rest of the properties I would try to implement. So here I have Notepad++ in which I have created a document example.html. so this is simple structure of HTML open, HTML close, head tag open, head tag close. Inside of head tag I have mentioned style tag. Throughout the CSS videos I would implement the internal style, right? Internal means inside the style tag I would implement all those properties of CSS. And then body tag, inside a body tag I have a paragraph. So all those properties that are over here I am going to implement on this particular element paragraph P, right? And one more thing, I would try to keep it on the screen. In the sense I will use the console screen so that you could able to understand it better, right? So now let's begin. I am just going to right click here and then inspect. Once I inspect, then I have to go to body tag, and on the body tag I have P tag. So here I have to implement all those properties, and once I would write all those properties here, then after I would copy and then paste on my editor for permanent change. So here I will click plus, and then this is P tag. Inside of P tag I would write all those properties. So firstly I would implement background color. Background color cyan. So you know you are looking at this is cyan, right? Then second property is color. The color is red, so now this become red. Third property is width. Width I am going to actually the width is already long, so I am going to give it 500 pixel. So you have seen that 500 or maybe less than 500, you can say it 400. So next property was height. So the height is, for example, 40 pixel. So now the height become 40 pixel. Then the third another was font size. So the font size property is, for example, 20 pixel. So this become changed. Next property was font family. Font family, for example, Vardhana or cursive, you can write any of them, cursive. Next was font weight. Font weight. So the font weight is bold. So I think I have needed some more height, so you can increase by using the upper key, right? Upper direction key. 60 is enough. Then the next property was font style. Font style, which can be of three, like italic, or you can use it this is already normal, right? And italic, and one was oblique. So right now I am writing it oblique. Then after text align center. Next property is text transform. This is also an important one. Text transform, which is like uppercase. I have written uppercase, then it has been converted into uppercase. If I would change into lowercase, then all the letters would be in lowercase. You already seen that B and H in establish. Here B and H is in capital case. So if I would write here text transform lower, then everything would be in lowercase. And next was capitalize. CAPA, capitalize. Capitalize means every word would be having a capital letter in the starting. So the starting letter of each word would be in capital letter. So all these properties I have implemented here. Finally, we shall copy from here all these properties of CSS and then paste into the actual file right here. Why? Because if you will refresh it, then it would all the CSS would be destroyed. So I have to paste here. So I have pasted all the properties that I had copied from there, and now I saved this file, and now if you will refresh this, then you will find all those changes which we made, right? In the next video we would be learning about another cool concept. So before ending this video, I request you to support my channel by subscribing it if not subscribed yet. Just subscribe it on clicking at subscribe button right bottom of your screen. Like this video, share this video to your friends. For any query, please feel free to ask below in the comment. I appreciate your feedback if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.